Jess. So today we're going to be going over the 2.5 strong acidic water produced out of an Enagic ionizer. Now the 2.5 strong water is not for drinking. It's a low pH water like vinegar for a cleaning agent. So the low pH is added with a saltwater solution and then electrolyzed to produce a hypochlorous acid, which kills 99% of bacteria. Now, Enagic will not make any claims to this. However, it has been tested by the EPA and the FDA 100 out of 100 plates to kill 99.999% of germs within 30 seconds. So again, no claims. However, I'm going to do a simple protein bacteria test for you to show you what I saw and why I use the 2.5 strong water to clean my entire home and disinfect and sanitize everything. So I have a cutting board and I have some chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe some chicken on here. And then I have a bacteria tester. So this will show you some colors. And as you can see, the purple will be a bacteria and the green is in the clear. So we're going to go ahead and swab this cutting board. Stick it in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the solution and send it down to the cotton swab, and it says about 10 seconds. However, you can see that it's starting to go purple. You see that? So that's showing you that there is bacteria on the cutting board. You see that it's going to darker purple? All right, so now I have my 2.5 strong acidic water. Now to show you that it is just water and I don't have bleach in here, I'm gonna take a sip of it. Now if you smell the 2.5 strong acidic water, it smells like a bleach or a chlorine because it's killing all those germs. However, it is completely safe for human tissue. I will not be going to ER or calling poison control. So we're going to go ahead and spray the 2.5 strong acidic water on the cutting board. Now we'll let it sit for about 30 seconds. So this I use personally as a sanitizer and a disinfectant. Because it's safe for the skin, I have put it in my daughter's eye for pink eye, strep throat, cuts, burns, eczema, anything that I'm trying to disinfect or kill bacteria, I use the strong 2.5 acidic water for. However, again, Enagic will make no claims to this. However, I'm doing this simple protein test to show you and have your eyes open that this is just water with no chemicals, able to kill bacteria. So let's go ahead and clean the board. All right, you see the tester now? Look how purple that is. Now we'll take the new one. We'll swab the board. Stick it in. We'll break the solution. Guys, look how fast it's green. Do you see that? So no claims, but this is eye-opening. This is enough for me to disinfect my home and to know that I am cleaning my house chemical-free, killing the bacteria and germs with my children, with my family. This is simply amazing. Can you see the difference? Bacteria and clean after 2.5 strong acidic Kangen water. I hope this video was helpful on proving that the 2.5 strong acidic water can kill bacteria. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. I hope you have a safe, healthy, lovely day.